da ensudin dia to ye won krakopo ma say no ade a esai ne ma dodo no a na se ye ko Chorkor-Chemuena brono no eso a ensamso bridge ana atwin a wo mo enam so no enso ni twini kosi baabi a chese se wo mo fa so enye na no na Coastal Development Authority CODA emu panyin de atu dwase nyame ya doma ya wada wono be sha se aye bridge no de ama adehia wonom ewo Chorkor.
Atna Chorkor more than 50 years ago. Na nya bridge bia ebema cross you no easily. Until MP Fabric my west obeye temporary bridge emaye. So to no na nsuo no abefa ade ne nya akọ. Sisi aye big problem amaye. Ufi Chorkor-Chemuena Lantema. Ni nya na ukọ dansoma ube bre papa.
We captured this bridge in particular with the assistance of the mayor of the city of Accra and then the member of parliament, Honorable Eslovusu. So we have been here at least 3 times to do the necessary assessments. The idea first was about public engagement and our community engagement. So with the people here, we had the engagement right here. And then we had their views and we even told them that there's a real likelihood, say, some of the houses on the road will be touched. Until we also saw their views on how to go about this particular project. God being so good, we have been able to finish with procurement. The contractors were supposed to come to site way before COVID-19, the coronavirus pandemic, until that stopped them coming in early. But we were just talking about it on Thursday or Friday, and lo and behold, we saw that this has also happened. So they have been tasked to come in as early as possible. On Thursday, they will bring their machines on site and then work will take effect. They will start working on the project here.
Before one China